walang script, it's not a reason not to prepare for me. So, yung script, yung episode, pinapanood ko siya, seeing where I came from, seeing where everyone's going, feel mo kung yung pulso ng show, para alam mo kung paano ka papasok, diba? But then again, parang pag nag-uusap din kami ni Coco, at the end of the day, parang, diba, I'm entering their system, not the other way around there. And if you're as good as you think you are, or if you believe that you're a good actor, then you can thrive and adapt to your surroundings. And for me, sabi ko, parang yun yung sistema nila 3 years, even before I came in here, maybe even 10 years as a probinsyano. So, I'm not about to change the wheel. There's no script, but I believe in myself.
Pero Jake, itanong nga rin, Jake, ikaw talaga, all throughout.
Yung
sa perform ng parang
mga language na
kung anong gusto mong
yep,
i-act
kasi may ano siya eh, may yung what's so interesting about being part of Batang Quiapo, may level ng freedom eh kung saan mo dadalhin. And then parang may writers doon, so they're studying it scene per scene, so nanganganak eksena mo if they like it or if the people like it.
Pero diba? Ako ba, sinasabihan ka pa rin niya na, oh Jake, ganito acting, gano'n. O, kasi alam niya, Jake, kwenta ka naman.
No, he tells me what he wants, and then it's up to me to deliver on what he wants. Diba? So, kunyari, if he wants me to be so intense in a sequence, then hindi ko babaliin it. Kasi ako, parang, like I said, I do theater. So, pag sinabi sa'yo, you have to do it. Walang, can I change the line? Walang gano'n. So, like, kunyari, if he wants me to be psychotic in the sequence with the lid, then I have to find a way kung paano ko dadalhin sa Miguel doon.
Mas mahirap yun, di ba?
Yeah, but it's fun. Yeah, but it's super fun. Like, for me naman parang, it's difficult but nothing naman easy. Nothing parang worthwhile ever came easy. I'll be honest, I've never done an iconic role na ang dali nung taping, nung experience. Like, the easy roles are usually, that's really what you get back. Yung parang, ganun, easy rin lang yung reaction ng tao.
Kayo passionate ni Coco, wala bang, yung sa creative differences, wala bang time na mag-argue kayo?
No way. Ako, I said parang, from the very start of the show, parang, I'm here to make their jobs easier for them. Kumbaga, ang tingin ko kay Coco, hindi na parang, kaibigan ko si Coco, he's one of my best friends, but ultimately, I give him all my respect because he's also my director. And to me as the actor, there's nothing more important than delivering to what the director wants. So, ganun yung dynamic namin. I mean, maganda naman kasi parang it's not confusing, di ba? Kumbaga, ganun talaga tingin ko sa kanya, and rightfully so, kasi he's very brilliant. Alam mo yung, as an actor, yun yung last message ko sa kanya eh. Sabi ko parang pinuri niya ako dun sa eksena. And then I told him, sabi ko, sabi ko, I'm just acting here. Ikaw, you have to think about the writing, you have to think about the directing, you have to think about a lot of things. And at the end of the day, kung may mga eksena rin na nag-shine, dahil dun sa pinayagan nila yon. So, you know what I mean? There's boundaries. And there's a level of freedom when you're in the sequence to show them where you want to take it. But at the end of the day, you can't really move so far away from the script. Yun na talaga yun. Diba? It's just up to me to put colors and shades to that.
May script.
On the day. So we have a few minutes to memorize. He likes to feel out the location.
Yung lines kasi akala ko sa inyo galing yun.
The lines? There's parang may konting freedom for ad-libbing, pero they won't allow you so much. Kaya kung gusto mo mag-monologue doon out of your own free will, you can't do that.
Seryoso?
Pagtatawa na naman natin.
Pero Jake, na-inspire ka ba kay Coco na mag-direct?
I think for me, parang the directing side of things, parang, kasi ako I think we all have our different paths, diba? Parang, feeling ko, may kanya-kanya kaming path sa showbiz. But for me kasi siguro if I was gonna direct, I just wanna be a director. I don't wanna do multiple jobs at a time. But for me, that's also why I can guarantee or at least try to get as close to excellence as possible. Kasi acting lang yung iniisip ko. Hindi ko na iniisip yung technical aspects, or hindi ko na iniisip na, alam mo yun. So for me parang, it's actually a lot easier when you just have to act. So for me parang, kung magiging director po ako, parang I'd rather be, that's gonna be part of my career where I'm behind the camera na. Diba? That maybe at that point in my career, parang I'll prioritize my direct and stop acting for a while. Kasi I really want to be a good director.
Pupunta ka pa rin sa relasyon.
For me, parang I can already do it if I wanted to. Diba? Parang I've already been offered like multiple things to start directing. Pero for me, parang I'm still striking while the iron is hot, as you can see. Parang I only have one day, Sunday, to recharge, and then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do Batang Quiapo, then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I'm doing what lies beneath. Then on Sunday, if I have free time, then I'm doing the other things, diba? Parang if it's a guesting or...
So in terms of level of priority or level of your, siguro yung wants or goal, hindi na goal eh, actor, director, producer. Ano yung 1, 2, 3 doon sa'yo? Top
Actor
1, 2, 3.
first. Because this is what makes me happy talaga. Acting talaga. Like, I'll never exchange acting for any other thing in the world. Like, that's this. And for me, I live and die by this. Whether maganda yung nangyari sa career ko, whether masama yung nangyari sa career ko, I'm an actor. I love to go through all the emotions as an actor. The highs and the lows. The difficult times and the hard times. I love experiencing, like, being in a high-budgeted set like Batang Quiapo, and then come October, I'm in a theater play. I live, this is my life, diba? And then for me, parang, like I said, parang for me to also understand, like, all the nuances that come along being an actor, bashing and the praise and all that, I don't get confused kasi there's a purpose for all of it. And for me, parang, I always love to prove myself.
So acting, then?
I can't say pa director kasi wala pa naman tayo dyan. So like, I'll call myself a director when I start directing. But for now, like, I've just directed the music video.
Producing?
Producing. Again, I can produce if I wanted to, and I've produced already, mga Sinimalaya in the past. Pero if I can't guarantee na I can bring your money back, then I don't want to be a producer.
Sigurista.
I'd rather be a writer. More artistic things. Kasi as a producer, you have to think like a businessman. I'm not thinking like that. I'm still thinking as an artist. Diba?
Hey Jake, so sa Batang Quiapo, papakawalan ka ba ni Coco dito? With the ratings are going, iba you have other teleserye.
Yeah.
So paano?
For me, as long as they want me pa here, diba? As long as gusto pa nila ako in the show, then I'm here for them. Kasi, like I said, parang I only feel like nagsisimula pa lang ako. All the other things, like the scenes with Fatima, yung mga nag-click na ano, those are just a warm-up to this. And then even the trending Miguelito song, those are still fun and games. Pero obviously nakita nyo sa episode namin ng David, nagbago yung tono. Diba? Parang it's a big difference. And parang for me, parang I've been here for 4 months. Parang 4 months pa lang. So parang sabi ko,
Parang ang dami.
kumbaga I really had to make an impact. Kasi may 2 years na sila eh. Na kinapitan mo na si Rigor, kinapitan mo na si David, kinapitan mo na si Tanggol, kinapitan mo na yung buong family, Ma'am Charo. All these people are parang household names already, di ba? Kasi it's been going on, you know? So the intention is to really like go in the show and make an impact. And then, as difficult as that is, because that's the hardest thing. Like, papasok ko sa gitna ng isang 2-year program na may chemistry na sila. Diba? So, that's the intention, and I feel like parang ngayon palang everywhere I go, everyone's calling me Miguelito, congressman or mayor. So, I'm like,
May pegs ka ba naman?
ito na nga yun, that's why I also had to come up with that's also one of the reasons why I had to come up with the smile, diba? The creepy, fake, the exaggerated creepy smile. Kasi, you know, if you really think about it, and I'm sure no one does, but this is so close to viral scandal. Kaya na, nung binihisan na nila ako, I was like, I looked at the mirror and I said, wait a second, parang role dito sa viral scandal. So how do I make a difference? Diba? Anong overall, anong mabibigay ko sa audience or sa production na hindi pa nila nakikita ulit. So I had to produce a smile. So that's not my real smile in real life. That's not how I would typically do a leading man role, or that's not how I would typically do a Pinoy charmer guy. But it's a weapon that I use. Kasi parang, to be honest, and I'm not gonna stop doing it. Kasi, like I said, parang it's a tool, it's a device na nahanap ko within the role. Lalo na yung kunyari
Discover mo yun.
parang I felt it in a scene where di ba nag-uusap kami ng Miss Angel, and I'm complaining, what the hell are we doing here, ma? Parang nagreklamo ko, and then biglang may mga dadating, Mayor! And then I have to produce a smile. But he's not, like, in my mind, hindi siya natural na tao na naggaganon. You know what I mean? It's something that you have to do for politics. Diba? Yung parang kailangan mo i-manufacture yung ano na yun yung parang, yung other side na. But the real side is what you saw with the video. That's him. Diba? Yun. That's the wolf in sheep's clothing. Diba? That's the duality.
Jake, how was it working with Andrea? Kasi di ba isa yun,
Super
mga
fun.
scene ninyo yung parang pinag-usapan din sa Batang Quiapo.
Super fun. Sabi ko parang, I also like parang I'm very happy na ngayon din kami nagtrabaho because kaya ko siyang alagaan in a way kasi medyo maselan or mahirap yung mga eksena. So, pag maselan mahirap yung eksena, it's a bit difficult kasi syempre, so at that point, pag nangyayari yan, I have to be the senior actor in the room. Diba? So I tell her na exactly what I'm gonna do. Look, I'm gonna do this, do that, ganyan. This is gonna bring out your acting even more. So, diba, you have to be a bit technical with it. Hindi siya yung parang bahala na gawin nyo na lang. It has to be very technical and broken down. Kaya sabi ko kay Andrea, I'm happy na I got to go to school in New York. So, in a way, parang na-experience ko na magkaroon ng intimacy coordinator. So I have to be that person in the set a little bit with her. Or even si Micah. Kasi nagkaka-extend rin kami ni Micah Rivera na very sexy na scene. But the way kasi I really do it, it's a scene. So, hindi na ako yung parang bahala na pag nag-take and then let's just see what comes out. And, oh wow, ang ganda na yung eksena. Hindi na, more like I've been there. I've already done this scene a million times. So I have to be the guy to tell her na, look, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And, diba, this is exactly what I'm gonna do. I know it's gonna sound preemptive, but believe me, you're gonna feel a lot safer. Kasi alam mo you know what's to come. Diba? And even with the video, like, you know, like even for me, parang I don't keep like a surprise in a set. Like, I'm a theater guy, so like every week I have to show you the same performance, but like little bit better. So for me, parang because we don't have a script in the set, pagdating sa set, kunyari dadating na sa akin yung pages on the day. What I do is like I spend the whole day in the set. So I'm rehearsing the thing. The moment I get the piece of paper, nandun na ako, whether that be in the mansion, and I'm rehearsing it constantly. So, kasi I only have a few moments with it. So I have to make the most of it. So in a way, para nakikita na ni David, nakikita na ng lahat na ganun yung gagawin ko. I'm gonna go, whoa! Like very big. You know, like I show them na. And then, you know, from there, they show me theirs, and then let's meet, you know, somewhere in the middle is gonna be perfect. Diba?
Kasi first kissing scene yun ni Andrea, nagkailangan ba kayo? Lalo na yung bathtub scene nyo.
No. I'll be honest, parang it was such an easy day. It was so smooth. Kasi parang I knew na what I was getting myself into. I knew na parang this is gonna be a first for her. And this is gonna be more about her than it is about me. Diba? Parang klaro sa akin yun the moment we got there. So my top priority was like, take care of her. Diba?
Kinausap ka ba niya? Like, nag-usap ba kayo?
Yeah, ano kami, parang after every sequence, ando kami sa side ng tawanan kami sa gilid. So, it was really like that. Kahit yung, actually magugulot kayo, even the scene na we did na mas masalan pa doon, the rape sequence at the rape scene, we're laughing there after every cut. Kaya nga sabi ko parang, it's really a good time when, you know, I guess when you've done this for 20 years, where wala ka na kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo, or you already know your capability, na you're able to share with the set. Diba? You're able to like, you know, parang wala naman big reveal. Like, this is it. Diba? And yun. So like for me, like, when I'm doing scenes with her, parang, syempre, the first priority is to be a gentleman. And I want her to be happy with the scene. Yung alam mo yun, yung parang, I don't want just myself to look good here. Parang, I want you to walk away and say na parang, that was a really good scene. And so far, so good naman.
Alam niyo, for the record, si Jake ay part ng kauna-unang na
Oo nga pala, si Katlil. Anak ni
Alena.
Oo.
Yung bago?
Dati,
Si Karel ba yun?
Yeah. Sabi ko, that was, sa mga nagawa kong